how my interest in the paranormal began. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning Not Teaching. I create this space to practice my English while talking about topics that interest me. And one of those topics is the paranormal. Today, I want to tell you how my interest in strange things began. To be honest, I don't even know exactly when it started. But I have a very clear memory from when I was a child, maybe 5 or 6 years old. I used to live in a rural area far away from the city. To reach the nearest town, we had to walk 8 or 10 hours. I don't remember exactly. So we rarely went there. In the countryside, adults often told scary stories. My uncles, my parents, my grandparents, they all talk about strangest things. One of my uncles especially loved to tell those kind of stories, and even though they were scary, we loved listening to him. One night, after hearing some of those stories, I had a very strong dream. In the dream, I was with my brother, who is 2 years older than me. We were standing near a water well. Uh, it looked like 5 p.m. Because the sun was almost gone. Only a few rays of light touched the tops of the hills. Suddenly, a dark human-like figure appeared. It, it was wearing a black robe, and you couldn't see its face. The strangest part was that it didn't walk. It floated slowly toward us. I stepped back in the fear and fell to the ground. My brother stood still and started to pray the Lord's prayer with confidence. The figure stopped. It didn't touch him. Then my brother ran away and left me alone. I was angry that he left me there. I tried to pray too, but I was too little. I didn't know the um, full uh, prayer. Um, I said it wrong out of order and made many mistakes. The figure kept getting closer and closer. Uh, I was so terrified that I suddenly woke up. Um, Back then, I didn't know if it was a dream or something else. I didn't understand what uh, nightmares were. I didn't know anything about paranormal experience. Um, when I told my brothers, they said that it wasn't a nightmare because real nightmares, they said, are even worse. For me, uh, that was one of the scariest moments I've ever uh, uh, experienced. Experienced, and maybe now that I think about it, had dream, it was start my interest in the paranormal. Not because I want to have a most experience like that, but because I want to understand them or at the last try. Well, that's okay. See you in the next one.